A 2020 Toyota Highlander, and this is how you open up the remote to replace the battery. Alright, so we're going to take the emergency key out first, and notice there's a button here at the bottom. We're going to slide this to the right, hold it down with your thumb, and then you can pull out the emergency key. Now with the emergency key out, get yourself a flathead screwdriver, and if we look inside, there's a slot here on the side. This is where the emergency key came out, and then there's another one right here. We're gonna put the screwdriver in here, and then we're gonna give it a twist, and that opens up the remote without damaging the sides or anything like that. It's this slot right here. Hopefully you can see that. Now you want to do this with the buttons facing down so they don't fall out of the remote. We're gonna hold the remote like this. There's a slot right here. Take your screwdriver and pry out the battery. Battery size CR2032. Positive sign facing out towards us. Stick it in the remote like this first. Slide it under and lock it down. If you need a battery, check the description box. I'll have a link. Takes you to Amazon where you can get the correct size. Then we get the back half. Start at the top, work your way down. Snap it down, get the emergency key, put it back in the slot. If it locks, you're all done. I hope the video was helpful, and if it was, appreciate it. Hit the like button for me, leave me a comment if you could, and hope to see you again in another video.